So hello dear students, in this session we gonna revise the rectification of error and fill in the blanks with appropriate option. If you count both the questions are of 8 marks, 4 marks for rectification of error and 4 marks for the fill in the blanks. So actually the students are much perfect in both these questions, but they need the practice. And I'm going to try my level best to give you the proper practice of both these questions. So here you can see on the screen, we have the examples of rectification of error from the very first chapter, Letter to God. So dear students, what rectification of error requires? It requires a very careful reading, a very proper reading where you should be able to rectify the error. ऐसे आपको पढ़ना है कि आपको वो ग्रामर की एरर मिलनी चाहिए कि दैट ग्रामेटिकल एरर, ओके, व्हाट इज दैट ग्रामेटिकल एरर, whether it's a prepositional based error, whether it's a verb based error or article based error or tenses based error, whatever. If you read that, डेफिनेटली इफ यू रीड वेरी केयरफुली, अगर पहली बार में नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो 2 बार पढ़ो, 3 बार पढ़ो, पूरे पैराग्राफ को पढ़ो, डेफिनेटली आपको वो मिस्टेक पता चल ही जाएगी. So let's revise here. In this video I'm going to cover starting from the chapter 1 to the upcoming 3-4 chapters, rectification of error and fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. So dear students, without wasting the time, let's get started. So I'm going to give you the few seconds to just read this passage. Everyone read, and we are going to solve the very first example all together. Okay students, so here we go. The very first sentence: Lencho's house was only a one in the valley. So here the first one is already done. A only will not come, of course, it will be the only. Okay, the only. So here incorrect is there, but the correct part I have not means converted this into proper PDF, so please assume that here it's a correction one. So here Lencho's house was the only one in the valley. Next, the house sit on the crest of a hill. What will come here? What is an error?
Seat.
Sit.
Very good. Okay, so here the error sit. In place of sit, there will be set. Okay, remember that. Okay, in place of sit, there will be set. Let's see next. From there, one could see the river. What's the error?
One.
Very good. From there, one could. What is this one could see? Here in place of WON, there will be ONE1. So dear students, Lencho's house was the only one in the valley. The house sat on the crest of a hill. From there, one, एक single, okay, one could see the river. The field was full of ripe corn. What is an error?
Off.
Very good. Okay, off, OFF. So the field was full of OF. In place of OFF, there will be OF, of ripe corn. It promised a good harvest for a family. What is an error? It promised a good harvest for the family. Okay, article A for the family, because it was a only one family. So here in place of a, there will be the. यहाँ पर आप अ के जगह पर द मत लगा देना, क्योंकि द गुड कभी नहीं आता है. द गुड नहीं आता है, द बेस्ट आता है. गुड, बेटर एंड द बेस्ट आता है. तो यहाँ पर द बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा, द लगेगा यहाँ पर. Please get that. So here you will use the. It promised a good harvest for the family. Lencho's family looked forward to a good year. What is
forward spelling?
Forward is correct.
Very good.
Forward correct.
Very nice. Usually dear students, spelling mistake वाली error नहीं आती है, लेकिन हमें उसके लिए भी तैयार रहना पड़ेगा. वी कांट नो प्रेडिक्ट लाइक कि चलो स्पेलिंग वाली नहीं आएगी, बट यूजुअली नहीं आती है, बट हियर इट्स गिवन, सो बेटर वी शुड प्रैक्टिस. So of course forward spelling is wrong. The right spelling is FORWARD. So here the E is extra, FORWARD, forward. Okay. They felt very happy and satisfying.
Satisfying error, satisfied correction.
Very good. So they felt very happy and satisfied. So satisfying की जगह पर आएगा satisfied. So that's your full passage. अब इसमें थोड़ी ज्यादा ब्लैंक है, लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन जो है आपका 4 मार्क्स का आएगा. Is that clear everyone? So I hope you have understood. Quickly हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. Here we go further, dear students. I hope the screen is visible to you, everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. The first one. Suddenly a strong wind began to blow.
Begun error, begin correction.
Very good. The error is begun. Now the wind begun. How will the third form of begin will come? So it's not begun, but it's began. Suddenly a strong wind began to blow. The rain brought for it hailstones.
For error with correction.
Suddenly a strong wind began to blow. The rain brought with, in place of for, there will be with it hailstones. So the rain brought with it hailstones. The whole valley were covered with it. The whole valley
Was covered with it.
very good, was. Okay, in place of were, there will be was. The field was white as if covered with salt.
Covered.
Very good. In place of cover, there will be covered, ed. Not a leaves remained on the trees.
Leaves nahi, leaf.
Come on. Not a leaves.
Not a leaf.
Leaves.
वेरी गुड. अब देखो यहाँ पर आर्टिकल ए इस्तेमाल हुआ है, नॉट अ लीव्स, तो ये कैसे आएगा? तो नॉट अ लीफ, तो लीव्स नहीं, लीफ, LEAF. सो लीव्स की जगह पर आएगा लीफ. नॉट अ लीफ रिमेन ऑन द ट्रीज. द corns was totally destroyed.
Where totally.
Was.
The corns was totally destroyed. Here in place of
Where.
corns, in place of corns, there will be a corn. The corn was totally destroyed. तो यहाँ पर आप corns नहीं लिखोगे, लेकिन corn, सिर्फ corn. ओके, आप किसी ग्रेन को प्लूरल में नहीं कर दोगे. ओके, corns नहीं होता है, सिर्फ corn होता है. The corn was totally destroyed. तो मक्का जो है वो पूरी तरीके से डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था. तो एक बार फिर से पढ़ लेते हैं. Suddenly a strong wind began to blow. The rain brought with it hailstones. The whole valley was covered with it. The field was white as if covered with salt. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. So that was the right answer. Okay, I read it along with the answers. Here we go on the second one. In a satisfied expression. Come on, the others who are not speaking. What's an error?
With a satisfied.
Very good. Here in place of in. Okay, in a satisfied, with a satisfied expression. So here the error is in. Next. He regard the field.
Regard.
Okay. In a
ED will
satisfied expression, he regard नहीं आएगा, regarded. He regarded the field. In a
Yes.
satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers. What's an error in the third line?
First of.
Okay, of ripe corn with its. So यहाँ पर error actually है ये its. This is it is. तो यहाँ पर it is वाला its नहीं, ये apostrophe s नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पर आएगा its. Of ripe corn with its flowers. So it is flower नहीं, लेकिन its flower. तो ये apostrophe s वाला नहीं, लेकिन ITS. Okay, its flowers. So this is a bit critical type error. So ध्यान देना अच्छी तरह से students. Fourth one. Draping in a curtain of rain. What is the right answer in the fourth line? Draping in a curtain of rain.
Draping error, draped correction.
Very good. Draping की जगह पर आएगा draped. D-R-A-P-E-D. Draped in a curtain of rain. Then suddenly a strong wind began.
Then के जगह पे but.
Here draped in a curtain of rain in place of then, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow across with heavy rain. पढ़ते ही एरर पता चल जाती है. लास्ट लाइन में क्या एरर है?
Along. Across के जगह पे along आएगा.
Okay, in place of across there will be along, to blow along with heavy rain. So dear students, these are the rectification of error from the very first line. I hope you have understood, all of you. Here we go with the next one.
Done.
Okay, so let's go, dear students. Can anybody try reading the first paragraph
Yes,
along with the answer?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, somebody. Yeah, Vivek, will you try?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him while the postman looked on from his office.
Absolutely right. Very good, Vivek. Your answer is absolutely right. Great. So, our dear students, I'm not going to repeat. Vivek has already answered the paragraph, and I hope you might would have checked your answer. Okay, very good. Well done. Can anybody try the second one? Can anybody try the second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, please.
The following day at daybreak, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God.
Absolutely right. Very good. So both the fill in the blanks are absolutely right. Well done.